everyone, I'm Mallory and I'm here to show you a 2021 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color is called Super White, is four-wheel drive and has 31,390 kilometers on it. This vehicle also has a 5.7 liter 8-cylinder gas engine that puts out 381 horsepower with a torque of 401 pounds per foot. This Sequoia uses 18 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 13.9 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior features. So first we're taking a look at the driver's side front interior door panel. So here you can see you have your power windows, your power locks, and your child safety locks. Just behind that you have a nice little door handle, and then just down below you have a nice big compartment with 2 cup holders in it. Just looking quickly at the front interior, this is TRD Pro leather seats. They are power seats as well, both drivers and passenger side. Just looking right over here, you also have your power mirrors and power folding mirrors. Quick look here, taking a look at the steering wheel. So this is a leather steering wheel as well. You also have your steering wheel audio controls here. So these controls control the radio station, also with the volume. You have your voice recognition, so this does have a Bluetooth connection. For your mode, you can either put a phone call on hold, or you can change it between satellite radio or Bluetooth or FM or AM just by clicking this button here. And then these are your calls, so you can either make a call with this button, or you can accept a call, or you can hang up or decline a call just with this one here. Over here, these controls control our digital screen on our odometer there. You can see with the little compass in the middle. Just down below here, you have your front collision alert and your lane departure alert. Just right back here, you have your cruise control just right there. Looking over here at the odometer now, over on the left-hand side, you have your RPM. In the middle, at the very top on the left, you have your temperature gauge for your oil. Over on the left bottom side, you have your temperature gauge for your coolant. In the middle, you have your little digital screen, which right now we have it set to compass, so you can see which way you're going. But you can also see what gear you're in, how many kilometers are on the vehicle, and the temperature outside. Over on the right-hand side, you can see how many voltage your battery has. That's up at the top, and then at the bottom, you have your fuel gauge. And over on the right-hand side, you have your speedometer that also has miles per hour in the middle. Now, this vehicle is also push-button start. You can see here, you also have your traction control. Jumping to look at our radio here, you can see that there is navigation on this. I'm just gonna flip it in reverse. So this is a look at the backup camera. And like I said before, we're gonna go to audio. If we go to source, you can see you have your satellite radio and your Bluetooth connection right there. Just coming down here, you can see you have dual zone AC and heat, so the driver can have one temperature, the passenger can have another temperature. Here you have your heated seats. And for this, if you click this button, it also turns on the temperature for the rear, so they can have their own temperature. You have your rear window defrost right here. Down below here, you have a little hard to see, but you have 3 USB-A ports and a 12-volt outlet just right there. Scrolling down to see here, you have a nice big compartment here with 3 cup holders. We'll lift up our center console here. You have a nice big area with another 12-volt outlet in there, great for holding a purse or your phone. This middle section does come out, so you can remove it so you can have more space in there. Now we're gonna come over and take a look. This is a look at our glove compartment. Great for storing any manuals or any maintenance bills you might need. Here's a little compartment just above that, so you can store any little thing like your phone or anything else like that. Looking over here, a little hard to see, but right on your rearview mirror, you have your integrated garage door opener. And let's not forget, you have a sunroof as well. Now we're going to take a quick look on the passenger side. You can see you have your power locks and your power windows over there as well. And you can see all the room you have on the passenger side. Let's help out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So now we're going to take a look at some of our exterior features here. So first, starting up at the front, you have your LED daytime running lights. You have your fog lights just down below. Coming up along the side, you have your 18-inch black aluminum alloy wheels. Down here you have running boards both on the driver's and passenger side that go from the front all the way to the back of the passenger side. Here you also have integrated turn signal mirrors. A little hard to see, but they're just right here, right in the mirror. These mirrors are heated also, and you have a blind spot monitor on them. Just up at the top, there's a quick look at your roof rails. Now let's head to the back to see some of these features. All right, now jumping and taking a look over here at some of the rear features. So you can see how big your trunk space is. Back here you also have a 12-volt outlet just right there, and you have different cup holders because there is a third row back here. We're just gonna lift up the one right seat. So these are your extra floor mats for the back here. Let's see if the left one will lift up. There we go. We're gonna lift up the left side too. All right, there you are. You can see you have your additional seats. Let's just take this little floor mat down. That was a look at our 2021 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro in super white. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.